Hello everyone. In this video, I want to share with you information on how to change your name on Pi Network for KYC verification. This is a step-by-step guide on how you or anyone you know can change their name on the Pi Network for KYC verification. Ensuring that your Pi Network account name matches your official identification is crucial for a smooth know your customer, that is KYC verification process. If there is a discrepancy between the name on your Pi account and your ID, Pi Network offers specific procedures to address this issue. Now, this is the name correction procedure on Pi Network. Number one involves minor corrections within 14 days of registration. Pi Network allows new users to make full name changes within the first 3 days after signing up and minor corrections within the first 14 days. These corrections can include fixing typos, adding a middle name, or switching first and last names. Number 2 is appeal process for name mismatches. This is post 14-day period. If you miss the initial correction window and your KYC application was rejected due to a name mismatch, you have the option to appeal. Eligible pioneers can resubmit KYC application, appeal for a chance to resubmit the application with corrected details. Then another thing you can do is to update Pi account name. Request to update the Pi account name to match the KYC name with a potential penalty of forfeiting part of the mobile balance. Eligibility for this appeal requires that you have appealed exactly once due to the rejection reason and that single appeal was denied. The third way is to contact Pi Network support. If you are unable to correct the name through the above methods, you can appeal for a name change by filling out the appeal form at Pi Network support. You can also email support@minipi.com with your request, including relevant details and documentation. The following are important considerations you have to make. Number 1 is consistency. Ensure that the name on your Pi Network account matches exactly with your official ID to avoid KYC verification issues. Another thing you need to consider, which is very important, is documentation. Be prepared to provide valid government-issued identification during the appeal or correction process. Another thing you need to take note of is timeliness. Address any discrepancies as early as possible to prevent delays in the KYC process. So here you have it for those who have been asking me about how to do Pi KYC name change or how to change your name on the Pi Network for KYC verification. So this is the step-by-step guide you have been waiting for. Let us go ahead and do it because the Pi coin is going to skyrocket in the next few days, next few weeks, and next few months, and next few years. Dr. Olubengaditun is my name. I bring you information on this channel on how to make money online and offline. Please, I want you to watch all my videos on this channel. If you do that, you are going to become financially better than you were before. Now, before I go, I want to tell you about this video that is popping up on my channel that I'm pointing at now. Go ahead and watch it and you'll be glad you did. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.